Hey friends, this video is going to be about how to grow a chili plant in your house. And before going further, this channel is going to be about how to grow your plants at your home and casual remedies and a future project, reviewing products which is related to your house. So if you like these content, then do hit the subscribe button in my channel and let's go further. That's it. So the first thing that you need to grow a chili plant in your home is actually a chili. Yes, there's no separate seed for a chili plant. You can get any chili in your house or from the market. Get it, just sprinkle in the soil up, and before sprinkling up, just check whether your compost or the fertilizer is and clear fertilizer, because the second point is going to be about fertilizer, so keep patience. So the second point is about the soil. You can't grow a chili plant in just a normal soil, alluvial or black red, anything. Before adding up, I recommend to add fertilizer or the composter. Coco paste is a good option. It gets in really low price, but I recommend this. It's all about the kitchen waste. All the vegetable waste I have here kept here. See, it's potatoes skin, mango skin, coconut outer layer, and many more things. But that's a disadvantage which I will go back to my plant. So what's the disadvantage? Disadvantage is that it will grow like this. You have your chili plant here, plus you have your tomato plant over here. As and a rotten tomato seed is been misplanted here, and even the tomato plant has been grown. So it's kind of disadvantage, but yes, it improves the soil fertility for sure. Third point for noting, hope your pot has an enough holes, because if you keep your plant in an outdoors, out of your home, or it's more of an outdoor plant, then lots of water can damage your plant as well, because plant doesn't need more moisturizer as it is. You can pour water only once a day, I recommend. And if in your area, if the season is around September to November, it generally rains more in India. So check according to your country and according to your location that if you are planning to plant a chili plant in your home, then do take away from the rainwater. But I won't recommend to keep indoor in, but I recommend to have decent holes to flash out that excess water. So that's it, all about the notes that you should take care while planting. Just you need the chili itself, get the seeds out of it, sprinkle, pour some excess soil. Hope your soil has a better fertility, whether it includes any fertilizer or coco paste, but I recommend to use the kitchen gardens waste. And that's it. Yeah, this is the baby one, but at the same cost, different plants. Once again, this is the main problem of my vegetable waste concept. So if you're okay with these kinds of thing, then okay, or you can shift your plant separately with an empty soil base. So that's it, friends. If you like this video, if you get any information as you wanted, so please do hit the like button. As I said before, if you need more videos related to these kinds of honest content, then do hit the subscribe button over here. Thank you for thank you for watching this video.